Good morning everyone! It's another day, another opportunity. Kukunin na natin ang susi at simulan na natin ang ating adventure. Tara na! Okay, sakay na. Let's fire up this beauty and hit the road. Ready na ba kayo? Let's go! Tingnan nyo ang panahon. Perfect day to drive to work. Tandaan, every journey begins with a single step. So apak na sa gas at gawin nating awesome ang araw na to. Andito na tayo sa aking second home, sa Toyota San Pablo. Ang ganda ng araw ngayon. Ramdam ko ang positive vibes. It's going to be a great day today. I promise. Check-in na tayo at simulan na natin ang workday. Excited na ba kayo? Ako, super excited na. Naglalakad papunta sa office with a positive mindset. Ready na to. Start the grind and make things happen today. Remember, with all a positive mindset, positive din ang work. Every challenge is an opportunity to grow. Kaya keep smiling, keep hustling, and watch your dreams unfold. Tara na, samahan nyo ako. Finally, andito na tayo sa office. Set up na natin ang cameras para makapag-film ng cool content para sa inyo. Let's get creative and have some fun. Today, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano ang ginagawa bilang isang Toyota partsman. At syempre, tulungan kayo maghanap ng dream car nyo. It's super fulfilling. I can't wait to share this with you. Tandaan, we need to keep working hard to achieve our dreams. Success comes to those who hustle. Kaya, let's keep pushing forward. Thank you for joining me today. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa pagpunta sa trabaho ko. Until next time guys, stay awesome. Bye-bye!